Which portable power station is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1. Jackery Explorer 1000 V2. The Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 caught my eye right away, mostly because of its impressive power output and fast charging feature. Priced at $499, it's definitely in the premium range. If you want reliable power for camping or emergencies, this is worth a serious look. This power station boasts a massive 1070 WH capacity and a 500W output, allowing you to power multiple appliances simultaneously. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With that surge capacity, you can run everything from a mini fridge to your laptop without a hitch. Plus, it charges from 0 to 100% in just 1 hour with the Jackery app's emergency charging mode. That's a big deal when you're in a rush. However, some users mentioned that the solar panel isn't included, which could be a letdown if you expected to harness solar energy right out of the box. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using it for home backup or trips where you can plug it in, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're an outdoor enthusiast or need a reliable backup source. Skip this one if you're looking for something that comes with solar capabilities immediately. Overall, you get a solid product for the price. Now, if the solar panel issue bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, EF EcoFlow Delta 3 Classic. Next up is the EF EcoFlow Delta 3 Classic, another powerful contender priced at $499. What stood out for me was its rapid charging capability, allowing you to go from 0 to 80% in just 45 minutes. If you want fast power to keep your devices running, this one is definitely worth considering. The Delta 3 delivers an impressive 800W output with a surge of 600W thanks to its XBoost technology. This means you can easily power heavier appliances like microwaves or power tools. Plus, it switches to battery power in under 10 milliseconds, which is crucial if you're using sensitive electronics. This genuinely surprised me about its efficiency. On the downside, some users found it a bit bulky at 26.7 pounds compared to other options. But here's the thing. If you prioritize power over portability, it's worth that extra weight. This is perfect for you if you live off-grid or need it for home backup. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight for very casual use. The value is solid for what it offers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Anker Solix C1000. Now let's talk about the Anker Solix C1000, priced at $469.99. What caught my attention was its ultra-fast recharging capability, which gets you to 80% in just 43 minutes. If you're looking for something that keeps pace with your busy life, this is one to check out. With a capacity of 1056W and an output of 800W, this power station can handle almost anything you throw at it. It has 11 different ports, making it super versatile for camping or home use. The battery longevity is another plus, with 3,000 cycles over a decade. However, I did notice some reviews mentioning it loses efficiency in extreme temperatures. But honestly, if you're using it primarily indoors or in moderate conditions, that's not really a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're into outdoor adventures or need power for gadgets at home. Skip this if you live in a very hot or cold climate and need consistent performance. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if you're looking for something with even more power, the next product might just blow you away. Product number 4, Anker Solix C1000 Gen 2. Next is the Anker Solix C1000 Gen 2, priced at $529.99. What really impressed me was its 49-minute ultra-fast recharging. If you need power quickly, this one deserves your attention. With a capacity of 1024W and an output of 2000W, it can power up to 10 devices simultaneously, which is a huge plus for families or group trips. Plus, it has a UPS backup feature that kicks in under 10 milliseconds for your sensitive devices. However, some users mentioned that the app control can be finicky at times. Here's the thing though, if you're tech savvy and can navigate a few hiccups, it's a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you're planning long camping trips or need backup for home appliances. Skip this if you want something that's super straightforward without tech. The investment is definitely justified for what it offers. Alright, that's a powerful option. But if you want something more compact, the final product might just be what you're looking for. Product number 5. Anker Solix C300. Last but not least, we have the Anker Solix C300, priced at $329.99. I was really drawn to its compact design, making it a breeze to carry around. If you're looking for something lightweight and portable, this could be your best bet. It offers two 88Wh and 300W output, which is perfect for charging laptops and small devices. The fast charging capability is impressive, reaching 80% in just 50 minutes. The downside? Some users reported that it's not powerful enough for larger appliances. But here's the thing. If you mainly need it for phones, cameras, or laptops, it's more than sufficient. This is perfect for you if you're a traveler or outdoor enthusiast needing light power. Skip this if you plan to use it for heavy-duty items. For its size and price, it's a great option for anyone on the go. So, to wrap it all up, the Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 shines for its power and fast charging. The EF EcoFlow Delta 3 Classic is unbeatable in speed. The Anker Solix C1000 offers great versatility. The Anker Solix C1000 Gen 2 ups the ante on power, and the Anker Solix C300 is perfect for lightweight needs. Depending on your specific situation, one of these will definitely suit your power needs.